Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete downloaded file on iPhone. So if you want to delete a couple of file or a bunch of file from your downloaded file on iPhone, here's a quick guide on how to delete those files from the downloaded folder. So the first thing you have to do is open up your file from your phone, then tap on browse. Then this will take you down to where you can find access to the downloaded app. So you can see, so I'm hitting it again, tap on browse. Then you can see recently deleted iCloud drive on iPhone. Then we have another option which is downloads. Then from here, these are the list of downloaded file, media file, PDF on your phone. So if you want to delete any one of these, just long click on it, then tap on delete, and that's how you can delete file from your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.